Tired of generic website experiences? Today, we're transforming your site into a dynamic hub with Retell AI, making interactions effortless and experiences uniquely tailored to each visitor. First things first, let's sign up for an account on the platform website and have your account approved. Once you're in, you'll find all the tools you need to tailor your integration. Next, head to the integration section within Retell AI. This is where the magic happens. You will be prompted to choose how to integrate it to your website. Here, choose the option for website embedding. You'll be prompted to customize the Retell AI component here, tweak the appearance, language, and even define custom prompts to ensure it aligns seamlessly with your brand and website's goals. Once you're happy with the setup, the platform will provide you with a snippet of Isatakabe code, ready to be implemented on your website. This is your key to unlocking dynamic AI interactions. Now, go to your website's code, specifically where you want the Retell AI integration to appear. Paste in the code snippet, inserting it where you want the chat feature or interaction to be visible. Refresh your website and watch the Retell AI come to life. Interact with the components, see if the settings configured have any issues or errors. Congratulations, you've just created a website experience to remember.